Hey everyone, it's me Megs, and yes, I'm back with a new video. How are you? Missed you. So I am back today with a requested video because I got a lot of questions from my previous relax update video, so you can check that out here on my channel. So I last relaxed my hair or retouched it, I think it was May 15th. And if you're not aware, I am indeed back relaxed. I am in a protective style today. So I am back relaxed from being natural for 3 years. So I went back relaxed in December. So if you checked out my last relax update, which will be linked somewhere in here, you've seen or heard that I mentioned co-washing. So I'm not new to co-washing. But some of you guys may be new to co-washing and never heard the term co-washing. So what is co-washing? Co-washing is when you use kind of like a cheapy conditioner, like one of the two, midweek to wash your hair with. So it's the act of washing your hair with a conditioner. This is not to replace shampooing at all. I highly suggest you do not do that. But co-washing is more so of a thing where what you do to add moisture to your hair. If your hair is feeling really dry, it gives your hair a boost of moisture. I know when I was natural, I used it to refresh my hair, especially for my curls or if I wanted to switch my style up, but I necessarily didn't need to shampoo it or needed to add some moisture to my hair. This is great. Also, co-washing from my relaxed days, I did do co-washing. I think it was like once to twice a week back in the day when I was really heavy on my relaxed hair journey. And co-washing just helped minimize breakage. It helped retain length, and it helped with adding moisture to my hair. So I did start co-washing again. Within with the past 2 months, I added only one co-wash to my regimen, and I will be doing an updated video on my regimen as I kind of ease my way back into it. So the products, okay, really quick too, co-washing is just bomb. Okay, I like to co-wash midweek on a Wednesday, Thursday, especially after workouts. It works really well. Just add some really nice moisture, add slip to my hair. It's wonderful. It feels so good. So I'm holding up these products and you're like, okay, what about these products? So if you're a long watcher of my channel, and we've been friends for a while, you know that I used to use V05 Moisture Milks, the moisturizing conditioners, the V05s, and you can get this pretty much anywhere for under $2. Okay, it's very cheap, inexpensive. So what I used to use this when I was relaxed, and well, when I say when I was relaxed, back in the day, 10 plus years ago, relaxed. And when I was natural, and I would add glycerin to this. Okay, so this is great. It's a great product. Worked really well when I was relaxing, and when I was natural, really worked really well. And this worked really well to pre-poo. So if you want to pre-poo, make a pre-poo concoction, which is a pre-shampoo treatment, you can use this because it's cheap. You can use as much or as little as you want to. And it's recommended to use cheapy conditioners to co-wash with because you might be doing this often and you want something kind of on the thinner side to help maneuver the conditioner throughout your hair as you would shampoo. Okay, but you can use whatever conditioner of your choice. So this was a holy grail, old school staple of mine. But what I noticed when I returned back to relaxing my hair, this did not do the trick for me. It didn't. I don't know what's going on. I don't know. But it just wasn't adding the slip that it used to give my hair relaxed back in the day and when I was natural. Pre-December. It just wasn't doing it. Wasn't giving me slip, and I was just like, this is not it. So throughout the years, I have heard of the Aussie Miracle Moist, and you guys have gave your recommendations to use this, and I never used it when I was relaxed, but I did try it when I was natural. And when I was natural, it just didn't cooperate with my hair. I don't know, it just, my hair didn't like it. It wasn't Miracle Moisten and Moisten Miracle. It just wasn't doing it for my natural hair. But I recently seen Hairlicious use it in her co-wash tutorial. I'll check her out. I'll have a link down to her video so you can see how she co-washes. I co-wash the same way. And I was like, let me try this again. Let's see how this works. And it worked, okay? Gave my hair amazing slip. Made my hair feel super good, super soft. Added that little extra, well, I wouldn't say little extra, but it added a lot of moisture to my hair. And that's something you definitely need. And that's something I definitely need because I'm trying to get my hair care together. So I'm starting my hair journey over. So I need to make sure I do my protein and get my moisture on. And this definitely helps with co-washing midweek after a workout, or just midweek when I feel like my hair needs some extra tender love and care. So this Aussie Miracle Moist conditioner with avocado and the Australian jojoba oil is it for me. I like it. I should have listened sooner to y'all as far as my relaxed days, because I did know some girls were using this when they were relaxing back in the day, from like the hair care forums and things like that. I don't know if it was a Miracle Moist back then, but I definitely do know it was some sort of Aussie. I don't remember if it was exactly this, but I do know it was Aussie. But back then I was so on this because it worked. I don't really try too many different things. If I know something works really well for my hair, I try not to switch up too much. And especially right now, because my hair is in such a fragile state from going from a virgin relaxer, going from natural to a virgin relaxer back in December. I have to like figure my hair out and do what it needs. But it just, this isn't really cracking anymore for me. But I will say that I will probably use this up in a pre-poo treatment just to make sure I don't waste product and things like that. But yeah, I really don't know why it doesn't work the same now. When I used it to start co-washing again, it just didn't give me the slip and moisture that it once did back in the day. But this definitely did. As soon as I rinsed it out, I felt it. But I will say that this product is actually, I feel like it's a cheaper quality than the Aussie. This Aussie, I think I paid $4.99 I think at Target, and you can find this at the Dollar Tree, or you know, pretty much anywhere for under $2. And I will say it's a different consistency. This is definitely way thicker and goes on the hair smoother, and I found myself using less of the Aussie when co-washing versus this. I have to use a lot more. So I don't know if you can see with my lighting. I'm working on changing my lighting too, y'all, so bear with me. There's only this much left in here, and I've co-washed with this one bottle probably only 3 times versus with this bottle, because the product is a bit thicker. It's not too thick, but it's a bit thicker. I've gotten more uses out of this one bottle than I have this. So yeah, y'all, I don't know. Aussie is it for me, but for some reason it just didn't work really well when I was natural. I don't know. Also, I want to let you guys know I have tried deep conditioning with this conditioner also, and it works really well too. So if you want something fairly inexpensive that you don't want to pay like $10.99 for a deep conditioner or a conditioner, you can definitely use this and add some oils to it if you choose to, and put a plastic cap on and sit underneath a hooded dryer for 15, 20 minutes, 30 minutes, and it works wonders because I've tried it and it worked. You can do that with this too and doctor it up. It just depends on whatever works for you. So that just goes to say that I am a true, I guess, testimony of my own products that I used to use. They don't work the same for me now. So when like I recommend a product to you guys, and some people may have a good experience with it and some people may not. So I understand that that's a thing for people, because that happens with me too, where I have products that I revisit that oh, this works really good now, but back in the day it didn't really quite work that well. So I get it, I understand. So yeah, I am definitely gonna like probably, you know, put this off to the side, you know, and this is gonna be my main thing, you know. Our relationship is gonna move forward with the V05 Moist, and it has avocado in here too. So yeah, y'all, hopefully I wasn't all over the place with this. This V05 it says 5 vitamins and oils. This is the passion fruit smoothie one with soy milk protein, and it smells really good too. This Aussie smells amazing. It has kind of, to me, it has kind of like a floral kind of fragrance to it, but it's just a really pleasant smell. And I just like it, and I like that this product is thicker. This one is a bit watery, but yeah, you can use whatever product that works for you. Feel free to comment in the comment section below what you like to use to co-wash your hair with, because I would like to read more about that and see what your guys' experiences have been if you have used these two products before to co-wash or even deep condition with or pre-poo with, and how do you do that. So if you want more information, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and I will be happy to answer any questions that you may have. But wanted to get on here and definitely update you guys that this is it for me. I like this. So far I've only been co-washing my hair once a week, and it's definitely a game changer. So the names of these products will be down in the description below, and as always, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys later.